Ever wondered how to get perfect rice without the fuss? Here's the game changer you've been searching for. The problem, we've all been there, standing in the kitchen, stirring a pot of rice, hoping it'll turn out just right. You know the struggle. Some rice comes out too soggy, others are too dry, and the ones that are just right seem like pure luck. Enter the question, how can you consistently cook perfect rice every time without monitoring it constantly? That's where the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker comes in, transforming the way you cook rice, grains, and so much more. The quest for perfect rice, the COSORI Rice Cooker promises more than just the usual cook rice and forget it experience. It's designed with fuzzy logic technology, a game-changing feature that adjusts the cooking process to ensure even cooking and fluffy rice every single time. With 18 versatile cooking functions, from sautéing to slow cooking, this cooker guarantees that no matter your culinary need, you'll always achieve a consistent result. It's the ultimate tool that takes the guesswork out of cooking, making it easier than ever to cook rice and other grains to perfection. The solution, this rice cooker doesn't just cook rice, it is a full-service kitchen assistant. Whether you need steamed vegetables or a quick meal with its quick rice function, the COSORI steps in with ease. The 24-hour keep warm and delay timer features allow you to set your meals up ahead of time, ensuring they're ready when you need them. Whether you're running late or want to wake up to freshly cooked rice, this cooker takes care of it for you, offering you the luxury of convenience and perfectly cooked meals every time. The convenience factor. The COSORI 10-cup rice cooker is built with your schedule in mind. Imagine preparing your meals the night before with the delay timer, and waking up to a kitchen filled with the mouth-watering aroma of perfectly cooked rice. Or, if you're on the go, the quick rice setting ensures that you can whip up a batch of rice in no time, without sacrificing quality. Say goodbye to the stress of last-minute cooking and hello to the convenience of perfectly prepared meals, even on your busiest days. The reward. So, what's the ultimate reward of using the COSORI rice cooker? Time, ease, and satisfaction. It's not just about the quality of your meals, it's about the time you save and the frustration you avoid. With the easy-to-read LED display, automatic functions, and dishwasher-safe accessories, cleaning up is just as effortless as cooking. The COSORI rice cooker isn't just about cooking, it's about elevating your kitchen experience and giving you the freedom to enjoy meals without worrying about the little details. Cooking perfect meals has never been this simple, convenient, and reliable.